A laser keyboard, also known as a projection keyboard, is a virtual keyboard that projects a layout of a keyboard onto a flat surface. It uses a Pico projector to display the image of the keys, and a sensor to track your finger movements to detect which key you're pressing. Laser keyboard. Specs and features. Portable and compact. Since it's virtual, you don't need to carry around a bulky physical keyboard. Versatile, can be used with various devices like smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even gaming consoles. Adjustable projection, allows you to adjust the size and brightness of the projected keyboard. Multi-language support, some models can project keyboards in different languages. Mouse emulation mode, can also function as a virtual mouse. Applications. Ideal for mobile warriors who need to type on their smartphones or tablets but don't want to use the small on-screen keyboard. Useful for tight spaces where a traditional keyboard would be cumbersome. Can be used for presentations, especially for demonstrations that involve typing. Pros. Portable and lightweight. Versatile. Can be used on any flat surface. Cons. Requires a flat surface to project on. Typing accuracy may take some getting used to. Can be more expensive than traditional keyboards. May not be suitable for use in brightly lit environments. Price and availability. Laser keyboards typically range in price from $50 to $200. They can be purchased online or at some electronics stores. Here are some things to consider when purchasing a laser keyboard. The size and resolution of the projected keyboard. Battery life. Compatibility with your devices. Whether you need a model with a mouse emulation mode.